Everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Live Love Crochet. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this necklace and this bracelet. So for this tutorial we're going to need a ball of yarn, a 4mm hook, or depending on what type of yarn you're using, and a darning needle. So the yarn that I'm going to use is Softy Baby yarn, 70% acrylic and 30% polyamide. I'm not sure if I pronounced that right. 100 grams in one ball. This one's at 8 ply. There's 295 yards here, and it's DK. And this one recommends a 4mm hook. So let's get started. So we're going to start with the necklace. So I've got my yarn, and I'm going to put a slip knot onto my yarn. I'm going to get my hook. Now we're going to start chaining. We're going to chain 90. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I will see you back here when I have 90. Okay, so I have 90 chains. Now we're going to slip stitch it together, so making sure your chain is straight, which is quite hard sometimes. So I'm going to make sure my chain is straight. And then I'm going to slip stitch into the first chain that I made. Okay, so put it into your first chain made, and then we're going to slip stitch and chain 1. Now we're going to make a single crochet into the next chain right there, single crochet into the next chain, single crochet into the next. Now you're going to make single crochets all the way around, and I will meet you back here. So when you get to the end, just find your first single crochet and slip stitch into it. And chain 1. Now we need to make 30 slip stitches. So go into this same single crochet, make a slip stitch, so 1 into the next, 2 to the next, 3, and keep going until you've slip stitched into 30 single crochets. So I've just slip stitched into 30 of my single crochets. So into the next single crochet, you're going to chain 1 first, go into your next single crochet and make a single crochet into that same chain, into the same stitch, make a double crochet into the same stitch, make a treble double crochet, into the same stitch again, make a double crochet, and into the same stitch make a single crochet. So then we're going to skip two stitches, 1, 2, into the next stitch, single crochet, double crochet, treble, double, and a single. So keep doing these until you have 5. I now have 5. So skip 2 stitches again and into this one. This time we're going to go single crochet, half double crochet into the same stitch, double crochet, treble, make another treble, double crochet into the same stitch, half double crochet, and a half, not double, half double crochet, and lastly a single crochet. So as you can see, I'm on slightly bigger than those ones now. So again, skip 2 stitches, one, 2, single, double, treble, double crochet, single, and we need another 5 of these ones. So skip 2 stitches and make your little, I'm not even sure what to call them. So I've just completed my 5, and now again into your next stitch make a slip stitch, slip stitch into the next, and all the way up to the top we will then slip stitch it together, and that will be the end of your necklace. So I'm going to slip stitch mine up until the top, and I'll meet you back when I've finished. So I've just slip stitched mine together. I'm going to make chain 1, and then I'm going to cut my yarn. And pull that through, and then this is what you should have. So we made it this way, but we're supposed to have it so it's puffy on the outside. So that is the necklace. Now I will show you how to make the bracelet. But for the bracelet, I think I'm going to use DK yarn because that one took so long to make because it was so it had like little bits of glitter around, like tinsel glitter, and that just kept pulling. So I will show you with the DK just for the tutorial. So we're gonna chain 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. Okay, that was a lot faster than what I did the other one. You're going to keep your chain straight, and we're going to slip stitch into your first chain. If I can get back in there, there we go. Okay, so slip stitch. Again, we're going to chain 1, and we're going to make single crochets all the way around again. So you're going to find your first chain. So put a single crochet into your first chain, single crochet into the next, and all the way around until you get back here. So when you get back round, find your first single crochet and slip stitch into there, and then chain 1 into this stitch next to your chain 1, make a single crochet, double crochet, treble, double, and a single, all into the same stitch. Then you're going to skip two stitches, 1, 2, and again do the same, single crochet, double crochet, treble, double, and a single, skip 2, 1, 2, and keep repeating this until you reach the other side. So I'm going to carry on and we'll meet you back around here. So right at the very end I have 1, 2, 3, so I don't want to be making another one here, so I'm just going to go into this stitch here, right here, and make a slip stitch, and I'm going to chain one, cut my work, pull that tight. There is my bracelet. Just need to sew my ends. It's my bracelet. So if I just put it onto my wrist, I put it on the wrong way, but you can get the gist of that. So I'm just going to sew my tails real quick, and I'm going to meet you back when I have done that. So there is my finished necklace and my finished bracelet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. This was my first time making jewellery, so if you like this tutorial and you want to see more, you can comment down below and like this video. For now though, I will see you again in my next tutorial. Bye!